What is up, crypto legends? Let's analyze the situation here for Bitcoin. And I can see in the comment section, pump or dump, dump or pump. What I can tell you is the dump has happened already. So, what is more likely is that we do get a bounce, of course, right? We need to use a little bit of common sense here. Let's analyze the situation all together, guys. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing fantastic, guys. Make sure to destroy the like button on your way in and share some love, guys. Share some love. Smash up the like button, guys, on your way in. We're going to talk about altcoins. I was stopped out of all of my altcoins positions, some in a minor loss, some in at break even, some in profit because I did take some profit, okay, such as Theta network, out of them with this major drop. This is what it all, risk management is all about. I've been sharing to the community, the money shots, okay, of the altcoins, saying, hey, I'm out of the altcoin positions, right? Because I protected, right? All of these, bang, bang, bang. Once we had this drop, I am protected. This is the risk management that we need to take. We need to protect our capital at all cost, guys. This is the only way we can survive here, this market, and make some gains, not get greedy, and be extremely defensive. I know everybody is different. Everybody is, some are greedy, some are not that greedy, some are more conservative like I am, and, just stay calm with the market. So, I know how a lot of people feel. They are greedy, they risk too much, and yeah, guys, it's not an easy game. It's not an easy game. Absolutely not. So anyway, let's go through what's happened with Bitcoin and why we are hitting a critical level again, right? This has been a massive, I did not short this I did not short yesterday. The reason why I was waiting for a short at the highs here, if we would have tested above 30,600, that was the range that I was interested in looking for short positions. This did not happen. I missed out on shorting all of this. We did a really nice call on the long position from this range over here. And what is going on right now, this is what we are going to discuss in today's live stream. Is Bitcoin going to continue to the downside, or has this just been a massive liquidation event and we are going to get a bounce from this level? This is what we are going to discuss right over here. It is a possibility. And we are going to take a look at some altcoins as well, guys. Out of my altcoin positions, considering re-entering, depending on what kind of price action we create in the next coming hours. If we find consolidation, if we do find support, I will be considering entry on the altcoins again, because we've had a major correction, right? With this correction, if it cools off, it might give us some good opportunities. I want to explain this looking at the total crypto market cap, guys, because the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, has also had a correction, of course, right? This is the altcoin market. It went from 660 billion just 2 days ago, all the way down to 615 billion, right? So that's about $45 billion leaving the market in just about 2 days, right? So that is a corrective move after breaking the strongest resistance that we have had for the last few months. It is testing that level as we speak right now. So this should be a good opportunity. I got out because I'm defensive, stop losses at break even, some in a minor loss, also paying fees, but it's like that, be defensive instead of getting liquidated or instead of getting wrecked, right? This is the only way we can play this market. So yeah, I long the altcoins, not good. So yes. Hey King Umut, how are you doing? Let's go. Father Time, thanks for joining the live stream. Let's hope Andy tells us Bitcoin's going back to 100K. Yeah, never said this, but yeah, this is a bouncing level. Just let's talk about technical analysis, pure technical analysis on Bitcoin. Of course, I was informing the community yesterday that I was interested in getting into a short position right over here above 30,600. We only just hit 30,500, and I warned the community as well as we were getting this consolidation. Whoever longed this $29,200 range, even though we haven't claimed these highs, as we were getting this consolidation, wrap up 70-80% of profit. It was mentioned in the community, of course, to, so you can pay yourself. If you did not pay yourself yesterday from the long position provided 2 days ago, you basically got stopped out at break even, or even stopped out, okay? Even stopped out at a loss if you do not take profits. When you have such a massive run up like this, I'm trying to help, I'm trying to guide a little bit, of course. Saying, hey, whoever longed here, this is a good range because it's confirming the consolidation to take 70-80% of profits, right? If you have the leg up here to this range, take the rest of them. But if you don't take those profits, you know what's going to happen, right? Market makers are going to get those profits off you, right? So yes, I was interested in a short position here. I was very much interested after getting above 30,600. This never happened, so it did not manage to get into a short position right over there. Not to worry, we'll be looking for other opportunities every day in the market, guys. Aditya, how are you doing? Hello. BTC about to take a big dump. Well, Bitcoin, yeah, that would be nice this morning if you could have said that. We've had the dump already. So are we going to form a bearish flag pennant and have more continuation to the upside? Let me just explain here to the community here on YouTube that this low, the volume is pretty intense, no doubt about that. On the 4 hourly, it's not that huge, but on the 1 hourly, 15 minutes, so yeah, we got intense volume here to the downside, big selling pressure, testing last month's highs. We got a beautiful bounce from yesterday's, from the highs of March, beautiful bounce. Mentioned here that this was a good long position, okay, in my personal opinion. Of course, no financial advice. Bang, market had a really nice pump here of over $1,000, $1,200. Is this a good level to trade? Well, I was, talking to the community. For me, it is. For me, it's a good level for a potential long. However, if I want to long this, I am still waiting. I'm in no rush. I want to get in at the lowest price possible, okay? So as a swing failure pattern, you might think to yourself, what if we do break this level? What is the strongest range that we need to hold? First level that we do have, if we break down here, the $29,000 range, going to be totally transparent on this, is the value area high here on Bitcoin consolidation that we had in March and April. Possibility there of getting a bounce? Absolutely yes. I'm interested in seeing Fibonacci from these lows to the highs, right? From the pivot low of this consolidation to the pivot high created a few days ago here. The 50% almost hit. 618 is below the value area high. So yeah, in between 28,500, 28,000 is a nice range for a big potential bounce. We left a lot of volume from this large consolidation here. This was about over 3 weeks, okay? Big spike in volume right there. That is exactly at the 618 fib level from this pivot low to the pivot high, right? 61865 is at the point of control from this large consolidation. So it's a big level of a potential bounce, $28,000. Anyway, we're going to take a look at some altcoins as well, guys. A lot of people panicking because, hey, I thought we were bullish in altcoins. Yes, we are. We still are bullish in altcoins. But this has just been a major correction. So still bullish on altcoins. I'm waiting here for a cool off. I'm waiting for a bit of a sign of strength and a consolidation, and then re-entering some altcoins. Of course, I will be saying to the community when I'm entering and if I'm protecting position. So we're going to take a look at total crypto market cap, Bitcoin dominance as well, and the S&P 500 stock market. S&P 500 got a bit of a drop here, but I'm going to explain why this is still bullish, guys. Of course, we correct in waves. It's a crazy market. We pump, we dump, we pump, we dump, we pump, we dump. Today's bearish, tomorrow's bullish. Today's bearish, tomorrow's bullish. It's like this consistently. So today that we have dumped, is this making me extremely bearish? This is it. We're going to fall now from here. No, this is not. This is like the other day, right over here. Hey, I'm actually, this is a good level to long. Bang, we get the bounce. Hey, I'm looking for a short here above 30,600. Unfortunately, we did not hit 30,600. We hit 30,500. So being patient sometimes is going to make you lose some trading opportunities. But I want to see what I've seen before on the chart, what I know that does work, and being patient, you know, waiting for those levels to be hit and waiting for the reaction, then jump into the trade. Simple as. Sometimes I miss some, sometimes I get into really good ones. It's all about this, guys. So yeah, anyway, let's long in Gallop 0.041 says stem. Let's take a look at where is alt season now. Hey, this is just a correction. This is just a corrective move. Alt season is still here. You know, this is only a corrective move. Look at the total crypto market cap. You know, this is what has happened the last few weeks. Look, this is the dump from today. Hey, you know, market moves in waves. Today's a been dumping day. It is what it is. Stay patient, stay cautious. It hasn't capitulated. We haven't seen a massive 50% drop on the altcoins and the markets. You know, not to worry. This is still in the range. It is how it works. So yeah, not to worry. Long in dot, sir. We can take a look at Polkadot. We can take a look at there's another crypto here. So Father Time, Pac-Man, thanks for joining. Is this altcoin season? People actually really panic. People panic when the market drops a lot. People get, you know, too greedy when it pumps. We need to find a balance. You know, start thinking greedy when it dumps. Start thinking bullish, bearish when it pumps, right? So yeah. Anyway, let's go through here. Right. So STPR is still in my algo long position. Yeah, I got stopped out at break even. I will show the community as well the stop loss, because you know there's some people that don't believe me, but I'm totally transparent. If I'm in a loss, I'm in a loss. I will say it. Hey guys, I lost this trade, but you know most of my altcoins stopped out at break even. Some of them paying some fees. I will share that Algorand trade with the rest of the community as well, because I didn't post that one. I just posted several altcoins on the community saying, hey, look, you know, these are break even, right? This is just enough to pay the fees or even not pay the fees. You know, oh, there it is, Algorand. Yeah, Algorand got stopped out. There it is. Algorand, V-Chain, Theta. Theta, of course, I did put my stop loss quite high, so I managed to make some profits on that. Yeah, guys, it's not an easy game. We want to be extremely defensive. Extremely defensive, just in case we have these, you know, small little capitulation phases, right? These liquidation events, because they do happen. And now is the moment we want to think about stepping in. So let's go here. Still in an uptrend, very much so. You know, let's zoom out here on Bitcoin. This was like yesterday. Yeah, before yesterday, sorry. The reason why I said, hey, this dump, and this dropped from 30,500 all the way down to 29,100, 200 range, over a 1,200 dump in a matter of, you know, 24, 30 hours, you know, just about over a day. Panic mode, you know, in everybody. And I'm like, hey, it's testing last month's high. We are still trending up. Short term, it's bearish. Yes, of course it is, because we're dropping today. Of course it's short term bearish, but this is very much still trending to the upside. The moment we start breaking here, 28K, you know, with some volume, then I'll say, hey guys, you know, this is not looking great. We could have a big major drop. Overall, these are just corrective moves from the uptrend, guys, right? We're moving in waves. Today's down, tomorrow's up. Don't get extremely greedy with your trading. Be very defensive. I don't know what to say else, guys. It's very, very difficult. I know every person is different, and I want to do my best to provide the education here. Hong Kong court recognizes cryptocurrencies as property. Absolutely phenomenal. Andy, may you see TorChain, please, says Machu Picchu. Absolutely. Let's take a look at TorChain. Hey, Andy, can you check Injective? Absolutely. Tahonas, how are you doing? Thanks for joining the live stream. So, yeah, Injective. Injective looks like a good short I have here. Right, let's take a look at Injective, but also let's take a look at somebody says Thorchain as well. Is that Rune? Rune is Thorchain. If I Thorchain is Rune. We're going to take a look at that right away, okay? Hang on a second, guys. I don't know why I got this here, but Rune Thorchain. Yeah, hang on a second, guys, because I want to do fresh analysis on this, on Thorchain. Yeah, this is still not looking bad. It's not looking bad. You know, one of the main reasons why is the lows here provided in November to December, having the leg up, breaking above this level, large corrective move, of course, starting to move up, guys. Yeah, we move in waves. You know, this has had a very small. Look at this. I mean, this dump is insignificant. Look at this. It's like this, right? Bang. Look at this move. This is the same move and even larger back in December than this one. So yeah, this one had an ABC kind of correction with this small little uptrend, and then bang. This is still not looking bad, guys. We're just in a little bit of a panic corrective move today. There's a little bit of panic. I can feel that in the comment section. So yeah, I'm a professional graphic designer. Okay, cool. Long in dot, sir. Let's take a look at dot as well, but first of all, let's take a look at here at thanks for the great work and the private group. Great gains yesterday. Absolutely. Tahonas, yeah, thank you very much. I can see you are doing actually a really good job, because you were saying yesterday, I remember sharing your money shots. I'm taking profits because we did have a really nice pump yesterday. Okay, let me just get the Bitcoin chart, because we did, I know you did get that into that long position that was provided in the Discord, and yeah, basically you were saying, hey, I'm actually taking some profits here on some altcoins, also on Bitcoin, because we had that beautiful pump yesterday, right? So understandable, right? Understandable. We were trading at this range and you were saying, hey, you know what? I'm out. I'm taking quite a lot of my, of the profits from the long positions. This is how you want to, play the market. So this stream will be awesome, Tortuga. Absolutely. Thanks for joining. Andy, check Gala. Okay, first of all, let's take a look at Injective here for Tahonas. He's giving me a super chat. So super chats, of course, have priority. Let's take a look at Injective Protocol. What's Injective Protocol doing at the moment? This one's absolutely skyrocketing. I don't know what this one's doing, but what is happening with Injective Protocol, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Are they doing anything different from the other cryptos? It's absolutely mooning. Look at today's drop. It's absolutely recovering. Yeah, well, it didn't get affected from today's drop even, right? 10 o'clock this morning. What time was the drop today? Yeah. This was basically the drop from today. Where is it? Right over here. Yeah, this is today's drop on Injective Protocol from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the other altcoins that did get a little bit of a hit. One of the reasons why Algorand got a dump, it actually broke higher lows, is supposedly they are saying it's a security in the US. So they've that's definitely not good news for Algorand, and it got a pretty decent hit, more than other cryptos. So that is bad news, I guess. So a lot of people are asking for shorts here on Injective Protocol. Let's dive in here right away. No doubt that this has gone a little bit too parabolic, but yeah, when you go parabolic like this, you want a confirmation, because I'm 100% sure there was a lot of people trying to short Injective protocol here during the last few days. No doubt. This is the reason why it still continues pumping like crazy. People are trying to catch the highs and get into that epic short, right? I shorted the highs. This is not a great way to trade, guys. You know, if you're trying to catch the highs and trying to catch the bottoms, yes, you will finally catch it after 10 trades, but you're likely going to get burnt. So this has gone pretty aggressive to the upside, and big major resistance that I do see here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at big resistance levels, guys, on this Injective protocol if we want to try and catch the highs. So we're going to take a look at fixed volume profile here. It's gotten above quite a lot of volume from this entire range. So I'm going to take a look at fib levels. There's not much resistance looking at the volume, eh? We're going to take a look at Fibonacci from the highs to the lows, from this high to the low. And we're just hitting 50% from these lower highs to the lows. Getting a bit of a reaction here, but this is still extremely bullish. 618 is at the 30% from the pivot high, right? So pivot high to pivot low, we have 30%. Is exactly at $11. We also have 618 is also at $11 from this pivot high, right, to the pivot low. These high ranges to the low 618. So that $11 is a good Fibonacci level, right, on Injective protocol. That $11, put this as fib levels. And I'm going to take a look at the projected move here with Fibonacci. The 3.618 here from this consolidation. So that is a massive projection here from this consolidation that we've had. And the 3.618 fib is also round about the $11, is at $10.57. That could be an exhaustive moment for Injective protocol. I want to check this large consolidation as well. Yeah, not here. So yeah, the level of interest would be this one here, in between $10 and $11. We almost hit $10 the last couple of days. It's still trending pretty aggressively to the upside, guys. Short time frames. It's had a larger corrective move. It has had a larger corrective move. However, it's still bullish. It's still pretty damn bullish, guys. There's no reason to think this has been the high. You can see it pumping as we speak. So yeah, I would see the $10.11 range, how the price action reacts. Of course, you could fail to break out the highs here. If that does happen, then here we could consider that this has been the double top range. But if not, I am looking for higher levels. Bitcoin getting the bounce as we speak. Bitcoin is getting a bounce as we speak. Yeah, very much aware of this. Very much aware of Bitcoin getting a bounce. Main reason why is, I was saying to the community, I'm more interested in longing this range than actually expecting lower levels. Why? Hey, we are failing to break down from yesterday's low. We're still testing March highs here. So yeah, you've had the drop already. There's a large amount of volume, no doubt about that. Okay, this is quite significant volume to the downside. But you know what? High volumes happen at the end of an uptrend or at the end of a downtrend as well, right? You know, look at this massive red volume over here. Bang. Where was this? What did that happen to this? It got a massive bounce back up to the highs. So yeah, sometimes these volumes, when the structure is still bullish, it's basically coming to the lows of this range, of this uptrend. There's no breakout of structure. This is still trending up, guys. So there's no big major reason to panic. The moment I'll start panicking is when we break the uptrend structure. This is where we could get a much larger correction in the next coming weeks, right? And it can get pretty aggressive. That will be the dump. That will be the panic moment, guys, when we do break here the structure. And yeah, we could be looking for a major drop of 10%, 15%. But for the moment, we were having a pretty nice correction inside of the uptrend, right? This is the same as yesterday. Same as yesterday. Massive panic here. People, we were unsure about long in this level, but we got our levels. We had our levels ready. We got March highs. We had this consolidation, a small naked point of control from the 10th of April. And it was that moment to pull the trigger, right? It was still at support, guys, looking to get into some positions here, and finally getting the bounce, playing out very well. So yeah, in between yesterday and today, we had some scenarios to play out. None of them happened. We just got the massive drop. Now we have this scenario, right? We have this scenario. Of course, we want to get in at lower prices possible. I think nobody managed to get into a long ride over here, but I was saying, you know the deal. Swing failure pattern, bang, wick, pivot high, pivot low, almost hitting that 618 Fibonacci retracement. It just got below 50%, as you can see here. That wick up and acceptance above the yesterday's highs, that is sniper mode. That is sniper mode right over here. Of course, nobody wants to get into a long position right over here after this massive drop with volume. But if you're not that kind of guy that, that is a sniper trader and gets into these trades, you are, you're just not going to catch any moves. You're not going to catch any moves. So, yeah, I'm going to long Crow with leverage to 0.071, says Crow. How are you doing, my man? Andy, I am looking for long in BTC on 618. Yeah, I've got Aditya here also. From this pivot low, if we do create another pivot high, I like this consolidation, not going to lie. I like this consolidation. I'm still looking for longs, and I will inform the community. Hey, I'm jumping into a long, stop loss here, take profit range here, just like I did with the other trade, guys. This was basically on the 17th, 2 days ago. Today's the 19th. This was 2 days ago. Hey, 29,200, 29,400, stop below 29K. 30,600 is the target range. We just hit 30,500, but of course I was saying, hey, we're consolidating here at 30,400, 30,500. Pay yourself. We need to pay ourselves, because yeah, it's a target range, but what if it's not hit? What if it's not hit? And it was not hit. I was so pissed off. But luckily, I know a lot of people were sending money shots from, taking profit here at 30,300, 30,400. Very good, guys. Take some off the table, because if we do not hit 30,600 and roll down, you will regret it. So maybe some people did not take profit here at this range. We were consolidating. When we're consolidating, it's not good news, right? So yeah, Bitcoin is having a little bit of a bounce at the moment. Very much expecting a bounce from this level, guys. It's failing to break out from yesterday's lows. This could have been just a massive liquidation event. If I'm doing anything, I'm looking for longs with good risk management at this range, not looking to short here the support of a massive multi-monthly support trend line. I cannot look for shorts here. Impossible. I could look for scalp shorts potentially if we do hit some resistance zones, but not for me. Not looking for shorts down here. Looking for some scalp day long trades that can turn into some swing trades. Caught that, Andy. Thanks to your teaching, says Kevin Phillips. Absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, this is absolutely phenomenal. Andy, what do you think about Theta, holding Theta long term? I think Theta is an incredible project. It's it's going to be the leader in decentralized live streaming and decentralized videos. The tokens do have their utility, so it's a great project. It's a great project. Bitcoin getting a bit of a bounce now, of course, after such a massive drop. It needs to get that bounce. It's probably going to get to the VWAP. VWAP is like a magnet. VWAP is like a magnet. It's probably going to reject from that level. We've got a high volume right there. I was more interested in day trading long here, guys. More interested in longing this range. So yeah. Not an easy long level, guys. Not an easy long. You need to be fast. You want to try and get in at lowest price possible. The first opportunity and only opportunity was hitting below the lows from yesterday. Massive wick. Coming back down, and you're actually getting acceptance above yesterday's high. This is a failed breakout, ladies and gentlemen. It's failing to move down. It's not an easy long position. I gotta say, it's not an easy long. Who wants to long after you're dropping over $1,000 in a matter of minutes, guys? This happened in 15 minutes. You don't want to long here. I don't want to long. This is absolutely dropping with high volume. This is the range where you get those bounces, though, guys. You want to zoom out and say, hey, bang, we are defending this level. The lows from yesterday are being defensive. Why are they being defensive? Because basically you're defending March highs. March highs, guys. March highs right over there. This is one of the main reasons this was a long yesterday. This was before yesterday, sorry. Main reason this is defending and getting a bounce, it's because it's yesterday's lows with March highs. Nobody wants to long here. Nobody wants to risk a long position here. But when you zoom in, you can clearly see here the speed and the execution that you need to have as a trader. You're getting below the lows from yesterday and you're getting acceptance back above it. Now you're talking. Right? Of course, I say, let's try and get another dip and see if we can get in lower, right? To have that good risk management. Stop loss beneath the low. Because if that low is claimed, then yeah, could it fail to break and go back up? Yes, but at least you're protected just in case you capitulate here again, right? We've seen this before again. Massive drop, a kind of a pennant, and then a massive drop again. If you're trying to get into these long bounces, you want to have good risk, right? Small little stop losses. Accept a small loss. BTC double bottom with failed breakout. You got that damn right. You got that damn right, sir. Still trending up, guys. Still trending up. We got a lot of panic of alt season cancelled. This, that, the other. This is extremely bearish. Bitcoin dumping. Bitcoin's going to have another dump. Bitcoin dumped already and it's sitting at a huge support level. Yes, it can consolidate. Not enough bullish price action and then drop. Absolutely, it could happen. But if you are a trader and you're longing, you're taking profit at resistance levels. For example, whoever did manage to catch this long position, looking at the lower time frames, you're looking at a VWAP. Beloved VWAP, we're just a few dollars away from that level. We're about $50 away from VWAP. Take some profits at VWAP if you're long in the bounce. You know, this is a $400 move to the upside. It's a great trade. It's a nice long position. Pay yourself. That is a nice target level. It could reject from that VWAP. This was not an easy long position. It was not easy. Not an easy long. It was quick. It was fast. Even a little bit of a lower, you know, another move down would have been excellent for a nice risk to reward, right? Get your stop loss in place. Get the movement down. Get in. But it was fast and it was difficult. So, yeah. I don't trust your analysis anymore, Andy. Oh, okay, sorry. What happened? What happened? What happened? Andy, any thoughts if Bybit requires KYC? They don't require KYC if you not going to withdraw more than $20,000 a day. So with no KYC, you can withdraw $20,000 a day. So yeah, it's still pretty good. They do not require KYC. They require KYC if you're going to move large amounts of Bitcoin. So yeah, I don't trust your analysis anymore. Yeah, we got some hate here. I understand it. I understand. No problem. But yeah, basically on the Legends trading community, you know, the only position that was provided on my trades was this one right over here, the 29,200, 29,400. This was 2 days ago. I'm not talking about last week or 2 weeks ago. We talk about high probability trades if I'm going to announce it here on the trades channel. Aiming for 30,600. We did not hit the take profit zone, but this is pumping over $1,300. I'm saying, hey, we pumped over $1,000. Make sure to pay yourself. So yeah, no reason to hate here. No reason to hate. I don't trust your analysis. Yeah. Let's take a look. I got stopped out, but bought again at 29,230. Okay. Andy, bullish divergence in RSI in 1 and 4 hourly. Bullish divergence on the RSI. Okay, cool. We're getting some bullish divergence, meaning that RSI is creating higher highs and lower lows on the price action. Yeah. So what would be the buying signal for a long? Says Matt. Hi, yeah, buying signal. Hey, what can I say, guys? What can I say? What would be a buying signal? Like I said, you know, we are hitting a support level. It's failing to break out yesterday's low. Once you have that move up and get acceptance here for a few minutes, it's already a sign of strength. It's already a sign of strength, okay? At least in the short term, okay? This doesn't mean that this is going to get exhausted right now. I mean, that this is actually going to move to much higher levels. It got the bounce. We're getting close to the VWAP. It's a good level to start thinking and taking profits if you longed any of these positions. Whoever's holding the position and hoping that it's going to go back up to 31K and not taking profits, hey, that is all on, you know, that's all depending on you. If you're greedy, you know, take profits at resistance zones. It's not my problem, right? At the end of the day, I can say, hey, I'm in a long and I'm taking profits here. You do whatever you want. But I'm going to tell you what I am doing so I can actually make some gains by the end of the month. And being extremely defensive. You know, if you're not defensive and you're trading, you know how many trades I get into that I get stopped out at break even or at a small loss? Yeah, it's not 2 or 3 trades. It's a lot. But this is what keeps me alive. You know, this is what keeps you alive in trading. The good risk management and defensive moves. cannot stress that enough. But people want to make, I know a lot of people want to make gains, fast and large gains, you know, but if you do have that mentality, it's going to be very, very hard for you. Scene of the crime, 30K. 30K is the scene of the crime, 30K. Basically with these higher lows right there, 30K, yeah, round about that range, scene of the crime from this support level, bounce. It's the value area low from this trading range as well. So, yeah, let's get this ascending channel out of the way because it's getting on my nerves now. Yeah, basically value area low is round about that 29,900. Yeah, guys, you know, I feel more comfortable in longing, guys. I gotta be sorry. This is still a big, massive uptrend. This is still trending up. These corrective moves are for buying. They're not for panicking. Just like the one 2 days ago. This is not to panic. This is to buy. Bang. Move up. Yes, it is creating a bit of a lower high range here. But you know what? Oh, crap. You know what? Let me quickly just fix this over here. You know what? Where's this getting support right now as we speak? From this descending channel, guys. It's looking pretty damn good. Extend this right over there. There we have it. We got these two pivots getting supported right over here. Descending channel right there. We've got pivot low there, a pivot low here, pivot low almost hitting, another pivot low there. Lower high, lower high. Yeah, there's no big reason here yet to be bearish. There's no big reason yet to be bearish here. Getting supported from lower lows, and it's actually getting supported from higher lows right over here. Right? As soon as we start breaking down from this zone to 28,500 aggressively, then I'll be saying, hey guys, this is not looking good. We're getting acceptance back inside of this range. We left this range over here. It's time to look for some shorting opportunities inside this new range. $32K next in no time. We got someone here in the comment section. Well, we know the deal. This is how the market moves, unfortunately. We have a dump. We have a lot of people panicking. We have a pump. We have a lot of people with euphoria. We have a dump. People again panicking. What is the most likely scenario? Most likely scenario is actually getting a pump. And then people get excited again. Then we'll have probably another dump. Of course, when we do take a look at these scenarios, we want to have good risk management, right? Because I know a lot of people out there are not responsible with their trading. And some people might long this right now as we speak on the live stream. And I'm always explaining, hey, we want to get in at lowest prices possible. And we want to have very good risk management. Small little stop losses. Accept the losses. Be greedy taking profits. Don't be greedy with your large positions and a large stop loss. Thinking, I'm going to make huge gains because this is going to go to 31K. No, guys. No. Small losses. Be greedy taking small profits, while you're going up. Always very important. So, like I said, there's no reason here to get into a long position with having stop losses all the way down here, right? Because this is massive liquidity grab that could happen on the market, getting a drop all the way down to that level. So just be responsible with your trading, please, guys. Andy, I would love to hear your opinion. I did some checks back at January 2019. BTC was at the lows of 3.4k, and at June 2019 got to 14k. Then at March 2020 there was another dump to the lows of 4k. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're having very similar price action from 2019, right? I explained this on another live stream. Yeah, what we are seeing is a double take out of that is and that is bullish, a bullish sign. Wreck the longs, wreck the shorts. Bam, says Patrick. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, very similar price action from 2019. Yeah, we are gonna. This is a bullish. This is a bear market rally basically, and this bear market rally can finish here at 30k. It can finish at 40k. But overall, we are looking for more corrections in between this year and next year, okay? No bull market to all-time high is going to happen this year or next year. That is very, very likely, okay? So stay cautious with all of those people that are calling for all-time highs and 100 and 200k Bitcoin, because that is unlikely. What's up with Bitcoin? I have no idea. So hey, we got someone in the comment section saying, hey, wreck the longs, wreck the shorts, right? This is how we want to try and you know, read the market. There's no reason to be extremely bearish at this range. We've had the drop, you know, that is a just like here, we had a drop and we had a massive bounce. This is a long that was provided on the Discord. Don't be in a rush to trade, because if you're in a rush to trade, markets are going to get your liquidity. BTC is about to pop on the 5-minute, breaking a W, right? Let's take a look at that on the 5-minute time frame. Bitcoin is about to pop. And breaking a W, yeah. Just about testing the V. Didn't even reach the VWAP just yet. Is it about to pop now? Well, it's probably going to get some support here. Today's point of control, right over here at 29,250 range. It's probably going to bounce. But yeah, I will be informing the Legends Trading community channel, of course, if I am going to take any decision. We want to get into a profitable trade, no rush into trading, of course. Next year will be a bull market. Maybe, very possible, very possible. So far, guys, altcoins are not looking bad. Bitcoin, hey, this is part of the game. Just a big, you know, massive pump, massive drop. My personal opinion, we are going to hold this range of $29,000 and it's going to bounce. Of course, we'll be bouncing. There might be some good shorting levels. I will be providing that to the Legends community, of course. And, you know, I was ready here for a long position on Bybit. Never got executed. I was going to drag it up if we were to get one more leg down, but did not execute the trade. So we'll be finding some other opportunities. Guys, remember on Bybit, you do get that insane bonus, $30,000 to be claimed. On Bybit is my favorite trading platform. This helps to pay fees and losses, guys. So take advantage of that bonus down below. Not much more to be said on the live stream, guys. Big shout out to Kasta. They're doing a great job. Okay, Kasta, they do have their mobile application live. It's totally free to use. Okay, and they're getting the debit card out and you can send crypto for free and instant, not like the Ethereum network, okay, or MetaMask that you need to pay $10, $20, or even, you know, $100 for sending some crypto. You can send crypto for free and instant, all right, and you can add up all of your friends from your contacts on your phone. Really easy, friendly to use, and debit card is coming out very, very soon, guys. Check them out. Totally free to download. Application, just test it. You can send $1 if you want and test it with $1. You can send $1 of Bitcoin for free and instant. Check it out, guys. Pretty insane. Kasta mobile application is live. Yeah, not much more to update. S&P 500, I wanted to talk about S&P 500 as well, as it is bullish. We've just corrected down. You know, I'm getting some messages of it. Hey, that's it. It's bearish. We're going down. Look at the S&P 500, how it's scaling up here. The moment we lose this higher low, which is this one, yeah, I could turn slightly bearish and I would see a larger move down. Hey, this is ripping at the moment, still massively trending up, and no reason to be bearish with this correction that we've had today. I'm sorry, I have to say it, and it had to be said, and I said it. No reason to be bearish with this corrective move, guys. S&P still looking pretty good. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you very much for joining. I will be posting a daily update with potential, setups. I'll be taking a look at some altcoins as well. Thank you, Pac-Man, for joining. Thank you, Father Time. Thank you, everyone. And I will see you in the next one.